Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. This channel is all about tablescape, DIY, shopping haul, home decorating, and thrifting hauls. Today guys, I'm collaborating with Sheryl of iSTYLEMYSTYLE. In Sheryl's channel, she do DIY, mostly restoration hardware inspired, as you can see over here guys. The vases that she DIY, it's look really high-end. She also do a tablescape, mostly her color is black, white, and green. Coffee table styling, and a lot of home decor. She also do a shopping haul. So please go over to her channel and tell her I sent you. And please subscribe. Hi everyone, welcome to my home. So guys, I'm giving you a tour of my restoration hardware decor ideas in my living room and also my tablescape. I hope you enjoy. So everyone, this is my take of restoration hardware decorating ideas. And please don't judge me because I do what I can here, whatever I have in my stash. So I hope you get some inspiration. Even though it's not all restoration hardware, but the stuff that I put here or I showcase here came from thrift store. And for me, restoration hardware is like pieces all over the world. That's why I showcase all what I find from the thrift store and I bought from the store. Everyone, look at the details of these vessels that I bought from the antique store. I pick it up for $8 and this is made from Greece. These bezels right here, I thrifted this last year at Goodwill for $5 and it was 50% off. I actually did a restoration hardware look for less video with this one, so I will leave the link with that one in my description box and in my iCard. Here guys, you see this horse on my thrift haul and I really love the detail of this horse. As you can see, there's like a turquoise stone in there and it's very unique, and this is antique finds. This horse right here, this is the first time that I style it. It was on my basement and it's perfect on this theme. And here's the bust from Home Goods, and here's another vessels that I thrifted last year. So I thrifted two of them guys. And same thing, $2.49. This vase right here came from at home. And here guys, my crystal. You know I love crystal. And this a little bit box right here came from Salvation Army also. And here I style my credentia and I put the two big vase there. And this one, I find this one at HomeSense. I was really happy to find this bust. And here I just put a moss on there. And the mirror came from Home Goods. And there's another bust here. This one, I bought this one at Home Goods, I believe 2 months ago.
love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself.
The plant there came from Home Goods and the plants came from Hobby Lobby. Welcome to my restoration hardware inspired tablescape, and I hope you guys enjoy. I made a DIY of my centerpiece here, so I hope guys you like it.
You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others.
My charger came from thrift store, my napkin from Home Goods, my wine glass came from Mark's grocery store and it was $1.
My heart's desire. I just wanna
Over here on my head of the table, charger from dollar store, napkin ring from Hobby Lobby.
I just need you. I don't know what.
My planter came from at home and I recycled all my orchids that I did on my tropical tablescape. Everyone, let me know what you think about my tablescape on restoration hardware inspired. Did I nailed it or failed it?
I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on.
Don't worry everyone, I have a very glam tablescape coming up, so stay tuned for that. Here, these vessels, I thrifted this one from Salvation Army and it was $15, 50% off, so I only paid $7. And I put olives, plants there came from Hobby Lobby.
Keep on talking to me. Don't you leave me by myself. There's something in the way you're moving. You can make me lose my breath. In a room of flashing lights, you pull me closer as we dance. It's you and midnight. Let's leave now and get undressed.
Everyone, please don't forget to go over to Sheryl of iSTYLEMYSTYLE's channel.
I know you won't let.
I'm telling you guys, you will get a lot of ideas and inspiration, especially her DIYs. If you're a restoration hardware lovers, you will love her channel. Please let me know what you think about this restoration hardware decor ideas I did today, if you like it or not. And if you like my videos today, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so every time I upload videos, you will be notified.
Don't you leave me by myself. In a room of flashing lights, you pull me closer as we dance. As we dance, it's you and midnight. You know we could get undressed, undressed. Look in my eyes and holding me close. I know you won't let me down. For the rest of the night until break of dawn, baby, it's the two of us. I know you won't let me down. I know you won't let me down.
everyone, my home tour coming up soon. So please stay tuned.
Lose my breath. Just pull me closer, baby. You know we could get undressed. You know you make me lose my breath. Just pull me closer, baby.
And please don't forget to follow me in my Instagram at Glamour Ellen. Same thing with my Facebook, Glamour Ellen. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone. Be safe.